Okay, I have another tutorial for you guys today in Gimp. Let's say you need to add a text in a subscript or a superscript. Here's what you're going to do. So as you can see, I have this little border which I have created. What I'm going to do is take the text tool over here and I will drag it. Now make sure when you drag it, you will actually need to adjust the size, but I just need a small text. So yeah, I'm just gonna make this small box. And now when you have created this box, you will notice you can move your cursor freely, type anything inside, like I am typing this V, and I'm also gonna type this TH. Now for the subscript part, I wanna make this smaller, so I'm gonna click here in the middle and drag over it like this to highlight the text. Then I will reduce it. Now remember, if you want to change the size of the font, like let's say nothing is selected here, as you can see, I'm changing the font here, nothing's happening. This dialog box you see here, this is specifically if you have made a selection inside of this text box, like this box that we have here. This little text box option you see up here, it's only related to that. This one out here, it affects the overall text box. Like if I change the size here, it will affect everything inside here as well, okay? So I'm just gonna leave it back to 48 the way it was. So what I'm gonna do in here now is come back here, hold on a second. So I'm gonna, wait a second, I'll just reselect that one. And yeah, over here, I'm gonna select these two. And I'm gonna reduce the size of these two. So as you can see, yeah, it's being adjusted with it. I have made the size to 30. Again, you can adjust it yourself as well. Now you see we have this first dialog box, sorry, the option here. It's the baseline, so it actually moves your text up or down. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, you can adjust it yourself. And the other one, it is for like the kerning effect, like it kerns the text, which you can see here. It like stretches it and it's like more like a spacing. It has another name even in 3D graphics, but I forgot the name of it. There was like another term. It's also inside 3ds Max. You can look that yourself. But anyways, this is how you do the subscript. And yeah, I just clicked here so you can see, yeah, we have the subscript thing. Now, in case of a superscript, like let's say you want to do 2 square, like I'm going to type 2 on my keyboard. And then like, yeah, I've typed 22. You can do like anything, like it can be done for anything. Now I will adjust the size that I needed. Okay, this is perfect. I'm just gonna make this 24. Same thing, just increase it. Don't make sure to like adjust it. And there, this is for superscript and that one is for subscript. So I hope you found this tutorial useful.